Hey everyone! We are back with another recipe. What you are seeing on screen is a creamy dish called eggplant with yogurt. So let's make it. For the process, we'll need an eggplant and we'll slice it in pieces. We'll take the sliced pieces in a bowl and mix it with 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and mixing all of them well. Now we'll take some oil in a heated pan and fry the slices of eggplant on it. While the slices are frying, we'll take another pan and add a diced onion to it with some oil. When the onion starts to change its color, and let them fry for a bit. Let's take a look back at our eggplant slices. When the slices are crispy, it means they are nicely done. We'll set them aside for later. Now we are preparing tomato puree, which we'll add to the frying onions. For that, we'll take 3 to 4 pieces of ginger, 4 sliced garlic cloves, and obviously it's a puree, so we'll add a sliced tomato too. Now we'll add the puree to the pan and fry until oil separates. For our main and final ingredient, we'll take a bowl of yogurt and mix it with some oil, cumin seeds, green chili, and some cloves. Now we are going to the phase of layering, where we'll make a layer of gravy, fried eggplant, and the yogurt. And just look at this creamy and delicious dish. I would recommend making this dish at your home, and we'll see you in the next video.